Hey guys, welcome back to the Franny channel. Today, if I look weird in some way here or there, I am testing out my ring light. And so I got a new ring light, so I'll go ahead and start you guys a picture of the ring light and then the description on where I purchased it. Let's see if you guys want to get one just for fun, or if you guys are interested in doing videos or just for lighting. It's very cool, like if you're gonna take pictures. It's a very cool ring light. So today I have a review on my BOXYCHARM and they just move all over the place. So this month's BOXYCHARM, I was very excited because there was a primer that I've been wanting to use for so long. So let's go ahead and start. I already moisturized my face using the Clinique Dramatically Different gel. I love it. It's very light because it's made for like people with oily skin. So it's very nice. It does moisturize, but it doesn't leave you that sticky oily sensation, so I really recommend that. So the next step after doing the moisturizer is a primer. This primer is the No Poreblem primer by Touch and Soul. This guy, let's see what it says. Create a seamless canvas for your foundation with a new Touch and Soul No Poreblem primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. That is very nice. Green tea and collagen acts as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for hours of flawless. Now, it does say it leaves like a velvet feel, so I'm thinking it shouldn't be oily. So let's go ahead and try this guy. Now, this is a Korean product. If you look in the back, it says made in Korea. So it should be like really good for your skin. A lot of Korean products are very good for your skin. So let's go ahead and prime our face. Make sure that you put or you press all of your products onto your skin so they be adhesive. Now, this guy retails for $18. Not bad, full size. It does feel really nice. So let's move on. Next, I don't have a foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab one of mine. And taking the CoverGirl Clean, this is in Buff Beige. So let's take a little bit of this guy. I did a review on this guy also, just because I had it here, but you'll see in the review. Alright, foundation is on. Let's go ahead and put the rest of my face on. Now, we're going to go very minimal with this palette. Violet Voss. I already did a review on the Violet Voss as well. Very beautiful palette. So I'm gonna do a minimal look. See if I can. Let's see if I can. Urban Decay Glide On pencil in Mars. Alright, now for the next step. The Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, but let's put it on. Let's put this on my arch. There you go, and in my inner corner. Alright, the highlighter's on. Let's see what it says. I was excited to play with it first. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Infused with glow-loving, light reflecting and pearlescent pigments. It is pearlescent. It's pearlescent. Giving your skin a soft velvet feel. This highlighter would give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. I agree, totally love it. The packaging does feel a little bit cheap, but the color is very pretty. Now this guy will retail you for $32. So for $32, I do believe that the packaging could have been a little bit more sturdy. It's not bad packaging. I mean, it is a little heavy, but the feel to it is just, it feels like really plasticky, and it's like hard to get open. There we go. So this guy retails for $32. Very pretty. I like it. Very nice. Next product. One of my faves. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Yes, we got this. Yes. I have a back. So this guy, indulge with a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. You can't say the word voluptuous without saying it like that, okay? Acacia Senegal tree extracts sets volume while forming. Lock your lashes in a perfect curl. I don't know what to say. I mean, that's a lot. But this is really this is one of my favorite mascaras. Like, I really do enjoy it. Aside that it might transfer a little bit to the bottom, like the little actual mascara flakes just a tiny bit throughout the day, but it's really very easy to take off. I mean, I normally carry like a little brush or something on my purse anyways with my highlighter, so normally I'll just go like this and they'll come like right off. So let's coat them. I love this mascara. It is one of my favorites. Now this guy retails for $24. It is a little expensive, but I think it's totally worth it for me. I'll continue purchasing it. I really do enjoy it. Now this is not the waterproof one. I haven't tried the waterproof one, but as far as I know, this one for me is one of the mascaras you should have. It is heavy. Like, it has a good feel to it. Very luxurious feel. It looks very luxurious. So if you guys have the opportunity to purchase it and try it, go ahead and try it. It might not be for everybody, but either way, you should try it. And if you don't like it, give it to somebody. Me. If you don't like it, you can just give it to somebody. You know? Just say. So the next product is the BOXYCHARM. I'm probably butchering, but I wanted to say it. BOXYCHARM Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This 2-in-1 duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and shiny color glaze on the other. The primer side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. This is in English Rose. This guy retails for $25. So you have, it looks really cool, like a little crayon. You have the primer on the bottom. It says there, primer inside. So you have the little primer on the bottom, and then you open it and you have your lip color. So there's another one where you pull this guy out and you have like the the lip, I think it's like the lip pencil, and then you have like the lip color, which these guys are very, very creative. I do have, I think, like a, I want to say it's like a highlighter from them, which also comes like in a little crayon. It's very, very cool. So let's go ahead and try this on. So I'm gonna try the balm first. And let's try the color. And it does glide on really, really nice. And then also something I wanted to show, if you let it go, it's a magnet, so you know it's closed. See that? Very, very cool. Now, this isn't exactly one of my favorite colors. I might like drop something darker on the bottom and then add this guy on, but I do also know that they have different colors, and they have one very, very beautiful burgundy, which I am so tempted to buy. So I don't know if I said, but this guy retails for $25. Last product is the Pharmacy Clean B. Now this guy is smooth and hydrates your skin while lifting dirt, excess oils, impurities, grim, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean B Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with natural derived ingredients like coconut sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and Enriquez roots. Now, you do smell the chamomile. You do smell a little bit the turmeric. Now, I did smell a little bit of like menthol, but that might be like the turmeric and the chamomile. Now it has a scent, also like honey. Of course, Clean B, it has to have a little bit of honey. I washed my face in the morning, so this was like my number one product that I used. It is very, very gentle. It feels very, very nice when you're like washing your face. When you're done and you take off the water and everything from your face, it does look like very, very silky smooth. Your skin does feel clean. For all of you that have sensitive skin, this is a very, very good product for an everyday use, like it says here. It clearly says that it takes off your makeup, so I'm gonna test that. The excessive makeup. So first you need to do your routine of taking off your makeup and then trying this on. But for like the morning routine, it's very, very nice. You do feel your skin very, very clean. And this guy retails for $22. So not a bad price. Not a bad price. And I believe this is the full size. Not sure, but it is a very, very good product. Okay, so the total of this box this month was $121. $121, and you only paid $21. So yikes, what was like the cheapest thing? I mean, the cheapest thing was this guy. But this one wasn't even like 20 bucks. This was 18. So let's say you bought this. This was 22. This is the amount, or this is the worth of your box. Like $22 just for this. $21 just for this. Okay, $21 just for this. Okay, this is 22, so you're gonna get change. So $22 for this. There you go. This is for you. $21 for this. Yeah, I'll stick with my box. So I really, really enjoyed this box. There was, I want to say, all the products in this month was a hit for me. I enjoyed every single one of them. The lip feels very, very smooth. It's not transfer free. I mean, transfer proof. It's not going to be transfer proof because it's really, really silky. But I enjoyed it. Mascara, thumbs up. Highlighter, thumbs up. Everything was a thumbs up for me. This was like A+ for BOXYCHARM for me. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe, and you can ring my bell. Ring the bell somewhere. That is very dorky, but I'm going to continue doing it because it's funny. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! Before I forget, all the products that I used, brushes, everything else, I'm going to go ahead and link it on the bottom. Also, I am going to link the BOXYCHARM link for you and where you can get it. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, all the products are going to be listed there. Where did my notes go?